In this video, I want to show you how to charge your DJI Action 6 camera. So step number one is to find the charging port. It's on the right side if you look at the camera from the front. So over here, there's two things you need to do. First, push, okay, in the direction of the arrow, and then you need to drag down the door. So push, and then without lifting your finger, push down the door so it unlocks. And this is where you're going to find the USB Type-C port. Now, obviously, make sure that there is a battery in the camera. When you buy this DJI camera, it does not come with a battery inserted inside, so that's why I'm telling you this. And from here, well, you can take the DJI cable that came inside of the box with the camera. You can take any USB Type-C cable as well. So connect one end over here, and the other end, well, you need a charger. The one that you use for your phone, for your laptop, okay? As long as it's USB Type-C, will work. Now, obviously, you can also use a USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable, and then you'll need a USB Type-A charger. But yeah, that's pretty obvious. So simply plug it in, wait, and it will charge. Now the camera doesn't have to be turned on to charge the device. And on top of that, if let's say you're on the go and you don't want to use one of these, well, you can use a portable USB charger like this one and like many other ones to charge the camera on the go. So this is about it. I hope this was useful. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.